Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to convert to MP3 in iTunes. Let's start. So, some of you might wonder why there's a need to convert to MP3, especially as far as the new generation today is already evolved, I guess. Why are we still up to MP3? Well, actually, the reason for that, guys, is it takes less space when you're going to convert the music. It doesn't have to consume a lot of space in your device, and it's still, it's able to sustain a really good quality. So there. And there are cases where in your device, maybe not an Apple device, and they don't play the music that you've purchased in iTunes, and you need to send the music to someone else, so you may need to convert that to MP3. So there's a few reasons for that. So one of the things that you need to also remember is that not all songs can be converted to MP3, guys, in iTunes. So I'll show you an example. How you convert, simple. Just go to File. When you go there, click on File. There's like Convert. So when you do convert, click on Create MP3 version. So when you do that, so see, there's a message. It could not be converted because protected files cannot convert to whatever. So if I'm gonna be doing that, this one, convert. So I think this one you could convert, and now I can't locate it. You know what? I will look for another example. But pretty much I already have like a duplicate song in my library or in my iPhone, but I just need to, edit that later. So how it's done is, so I'll show you here another example, guys. So for you to convert that to MP3, when you do that, see, it would actually create another music file, but that's already on MP3 format. So there, I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.